This is the most expensive TV in the world. Are you watching your favorite series and movies on your TV these days just to shake off everything and just get dipped into it? Visual supremacy can never die off, and we will always be the biggest fans of watching movies on big and HD screens. But have you ever wondered which TV is the most expensive in the world due to its extravagant style, look, and picture quality? If yes, then today's video is just for you, because today we're going to reveal the most expensive TV in the world, which is going to blow your minds. And don't worry, the price tag can go above millions of dollars. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing and full of curiosity videos like this one. Now, let's put our hands on this expensive TV. Can you think about a TV that has more class, prestige, and value than even the Queen's jewelry? This Stuart Hughes Prestige HD Supreme Rose Edition is the Rolls-Royce of the TV market that has taken the entire world's attention since it was first created by the company. It seems as if the company was trying to make a TV that can match the class and needs of the rich, and thus they have finally created something that is not less than a masterpiece for TVs. This TV is something which you will buy not only to watch the movies, but also to see itself, as it has been adorned with gold, diamonds, precious stones, and exotic skin to add an extra touch of luxury on the TV. This incredible and luxurious TV comes with a 55-inch screen and has been made by renowned company Stuart Hughes, which is also famous for producing expensive gadgets like smartphones. The company has a unique track record of using almost every precious and expensive product to decorate the details of their every gadget. And now, coming toward the most interesting part of our video, how heavy is its price tag? To answer this, you have to open your ears widely because the price may just blow your mind. This extravagant TV comes with a heavy price tag of about $2.25 million. That makes it the most expensive TV in the world. Even at this price, you can buy thousands of premium quality TVs. There is no doubt that the one who has more than an extra amount of cash in their bank account would dare to buy this most expensive TV. But what actually makes its price so high? We have seen earlier that the rich never bargain in terms of price, but for us, we have to know what actually takes its price to the sky. For a price of $2.25 million, you get 55 inches of TV screen, adored and gilded by incredible 28 kilograms of 18-karat rose gold. How mind-blowing can it be that the whole solid part of the TV has been created using rose gold, and there is not even a single point on the TV's body where any other metal except for gold has been used. Even the solid base stand that holds the TV has been made out of 18-karat rose gold to constantly increase its price and luxury. And that's not the end of the show. The whole screen has been made to glitter with the 72 impeccable round-cut diamonds that add charm to the beauty. The inner screen has been adorned with alligator skin that has been sewn with hands to give an extra classy look. This makes it extra hot to catch everyone's attention. Who could imagine that the gold and diamonds used for expensive jewelry could also be used for TV? How incredible it is that you can just take the diamonds off and sell them to have money beyond your imagination. But never do it, as you may ruin the design. With this lavish TV in your luxurious house, there won't be a single guest who doesn't get attracted by this extraordinary premium quality TV. Not only has this TV been created to add charm to your luxurious life, but also to give you an amazing experience of watching movies in HD. Stuart Hughes Company has always brought the standards of luxury to another level by decorating the gadgets with gold, diamonds, exotic skins, and precious stones. This company is known to shape the luxury for rich people, and they're doing it just right. The amount of prestige and luxury that has been sprinkled upon this TV makes it the only one to exist in the world. Whenever you think that there must be a TV made of gold, decorated with diamonds and alligator skin, then don't forget that Stuart Hughes Prestige HD Supreme Rose Edition is already on the market, but with a price tag of $2.25 million. If this price seems too much, then don't worry, as you have the option to choose another version of this TV that comes with a low price. The Prestige HD Supreme comes with a price tag of about $1.5 million, which is pretty much less than the $2.25 million version. You will get a TV adorned with 22-karat gold and 48 diamonds on the outer part of the screen. This version has also been decorated with alligator skin and has been hand-sewn. When technology, prestige, class, and luxury blend, then it creates something not different than the Stuart Hughes Prestige HD Supreme Rose Edition. Now, whenever you want to see any TV pushing the limits of price and luxury, don't forget this expensive TV that has just taken the world's attention. There are chances that whenever you will go to any place not less than a palace, you will find this TV there, adding touches of beauty and luxury to the palace. Want to watch a movie like how rich people do? Put only $2.25 million in your pocket, buy this TV, and enjoy the amazing experience. Cheers! Have you ever seen or heard about this TV before? Comment right below whether you would buy this TV or not if you had enough money. Don't be shy and share your thoughts with us. If you don't want to miss any interesting and amazing videos like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Until the next video, stay tuned.